I left Apple and macOS for a custom Linux setup. A few months in, was it worth it? In this video, let's dive right into how the experience has been. Starting with the PC itself. It's built around the Ryzen 9 9900X, 32GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD, all tucked into the Fractal Jade small form factor case. Honestly, performance-wise, it's overkill for my needs. And yes, I saw the comments about the Radeon RX 7600 graphics card. I don't PC game, I prefer to game on console. A GPU was required since this CPU lacks integrated graphics, and the 7600 is perfectly suited for my daily use. This current setup is well cooled, but maximizing performance, especially with a higher end GPU, would mean ditching this small, beautiful Fractal Jade case for a larger case. And if I make that jump, I'd throw in 64GB or 128GB of RAM, plus another SSD to create a truly uncompromising build, but for now I'm sticking with this tiny footprint. For light gaming, I rely on Xbox Cloud Gaming on this Linux setup. Even while multitasking like rendering video or streaming a show, it's performed great and serves my casual needs perfectly. The 9900X multitasking performance certainly serves its purpose here. Linux-wise, I've heavily distro hopped. Between countless full and virtual installs, the last few months have been all about fun and constant tinkering. I still regularly revisit distros like CatchyOS, PopOS, Manjaro, and Fedora, but I've gone back to Omarchy often. It's a highly opinionated Arch Hyprland install powered by some great bash scripts. Best part, the install process using the Omarchy 3.0 offline ISO takes mere minutes. However, I've also spent a lot of time with Steven's amazing work on his My Linux for Work files. This is another highly customized and easily configurable Arch Hyprland setup. It's super easy to install, and Steven has a ton of great videos over on the My Linux for Work channel. Definitely head there and subscribe. The link is also in the description. I've learned more from his channel than most over the last few months. His detail-oriented tutorials coupled with his true passion for Linux really shines through the channel and all these crazy good files. But ultimately, you're probably wondering which one I use the most, right? After all that hopping, my daily driver is still Linux Mint. With just a few customizations, I can get my Mint environment fully set up with all of my apps in minutes. Mint holds a special place as it was my first distro I installed back in college, and I've followed it ever since. Like many, I find its stability, ease of use, and minimal bloat-free install ultimately served me the best compared to other distros I tinker with. For applications, the transition has been seamless. I'm using Kdenlive, OBS Studio, and Audacity for content creation, and recently moved my browsing to Brave from Google Chrome as I look to distance myself as well from being totally reliant on Google services. Overall, I've yet to find a situation where I felt I genuinely need a Mac or macOS. My goal was building my own ecosystem away from Apple. I switched from iPhone to Android, new video on that coming soon, so subscribe to see how that journey has unfolded. But I'm completely satisfied with Linux and this custom PC with no plans to move back to a Mac anytime soon. Thoughts or questions? Let's chat in the comments. Thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.